In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the AppData folder in Windows 11 fast. The AppData folder is where many of your applications store their settings, cache files, and sometimes backup data. By default, Windows hides this folder because it's not something most people need to access every day. And deleting things here by accident can cause programs to misbehave. But if you're troubleshooting an issue, moving settings to a new computer, or following instructions from a support article, you'll often be asked to open AppData. So let's walk through the quickest, safest way to get there. First, make sure you're on your Windows 11 desktop. You can minimize any open windows by clicking the small line icon in the top right corner of each window, or by pressing the Windows key and the letter D on your keyboard to quickly show the desktop. Now, we're going to use a built-in shortcut that takes you straight to the AppData folder for the user account you're currently signed in with. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter R at the same time. This opens a small box in the bottom left corner of your screen called the Run dialog. In the text field of the Run box, type exactly this: %AppData%. So it should look like this: %AppData%. Make sure you include both percent signs and there are no spaces. This is a special shortcut that Windows understands and automatically points to the correct folder for your user profile. Once you've typed %AppData%, press Enter on your keyboard, or click the OK button in the Run box. A File Explorer window will open and you'll be taken directly to the roaming folder inside AppData. You can see that in the address bar at the top of the window. If you want to go one level up and see the main AppData folder, click the word AppData in that address path. Inside, you'll see three main subfolders: Local, Local Low, and Roaming. From here, you can follow whatever instructions you were given, like locating a specific applications folder. Just be careful not to delete or move files unless you're sure you know what they're for, as many programs rely on this data to run correctly. If you think you'll need to access this location often, you can right-click on the AppData folder or one of its subfolders and choose Pin to Quick Access, so it's always easy to find from the left side of File Explorer. And that's all there is to it. You now know the fastest way to open the AppData folder in Windows 11 using the Run command.